Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my unapologetically dope family. Here today with you, I am going to discuss what depressed people need to remember, because I've been there, done that many times, and a lot of times depressed people can tend to not take care of themselves. Before we get into this further though, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share it to someone who may need to hear this message. Support. So something that depressed people can tend to do is forget to take care of themselves on a daily basis. And this means we tend to neglect our basic human needs of survival. We forget to eat on time or eat at all, or we just snack horribly on foods that don't even add nutrition to us. We don't drink water. We go out throughout the day like zombies, not getting fresh air, staying in the house too long, not getting sun. All of these things are important for survival and our well-being, and for us not to lose our sanity. We tend to neglect, even if you're fighting like hell not to stay in the bed, you're active all day, channeling your energy into work, and all these different other revenues. We still can neglect ourselves by not eating on time, by not taking care of ourselves. And nutrition is a big part of what we need in order to do what we came on earth to do. So I encourage you today to remember to take care of yourself, and understand that also seeking therapy and admitting that you need help is a part of self-love as well. Something that I actually myself need to get a hold of. And today you can kind of set physical reminders on your phone to take care of yourself, or have a support system of friends who get you what you need on time, food, water, something of that nature. So you want to start treating yourself more nicely. Try to get out of bed more if you're in depressed mode like that. Try to slow down if you're in depressed mode like that. Really try hard to take care of yourself, because you matter first and foremost, and stop sleeping on yourself. But yeah, share, you guys, if this resonates with you, thumbs up, share with your friends, whoever else needs to see this. Follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the Great. I'm here to answer all your questions, you guys. But as always, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.